Do you know how back pain can dramatically impact your life? Hello dear friends, today we're going to delve into everything about back pain, from the causes of this discomfort to various treatment options and how to prevent them. Stick with us, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on notification so you won't miss any of our new videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, it truly means a lot to us. Let's go.
Back pain is a common element that affects millions of people worldwide, often causing discomfort, reduced mobility, and a decrease in overall quality of life. Understanding the factors that contribute to back pain, its underlying causes, and available treatments is crucial for effectively managing and preventing this widespread issue. In this article, we will explore the various factors of back pain, shedding light on the factors that play a role, its primary causes, and the treatments that can provide relief. Factors contributing to back pain. Number 1. Age. As we age, the spine undergoes natural degenerative change, making older individuals more susceptible to back pain. Number 2. Lifestyle choices. Sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercise, poor posture, and excessive weight can strain the back and increase the risk of pain. Number 3. Occupational hazards. Jobs that involve heavy lifting, prolonged sitting, or repetitive movements can contribute to back pain. Number 4. Physiological factors. Stress and anxiety and depression can exacerbate back pain or be contributing factors. Number 5. Smoking. Smoking can restrict blood flow to the spine, impairing its ability to heal and recover. Common causes of back pain. Number 1. Muscle strains. Overexertion or improper lifting techniques can lead to strained muscles in the back. Number 2. Herniated discs. The discs that cushion the vertebrae can bulge or rupture, pressing on nerves and causing pain. Number 3. Spinal stenosis. Narrowing of the spinal canal can put pressure on the spinal cord and nerves, leading to chronic pain. Number 4. Scoliosis. Abnormal curvature of the spine can cause discomfort, particularly in severe cases. Number 5. Osteoarthritis. Degeneration of the spine's facet joints can result in pain and stiffness. Preventing back pain. Number 1. Exercise regularly. Strengthening the back and core muscles can provide better support for the spine. Number 2. Maintain good posture. Practice a proper posture while sitting, standing, and lifting objects. Number 3. Manage stress. Stress reduction techniques like medication and yoga can elevate back pain related to tension. Number 4. Maintain a healthy weight. Excessive weight puts a strain on the back, so maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Number 5. Quit smoking. If you smoke, quitting can improve blood flow to the spine and enhance healing. Effective treatments and prevention. Number 1. Physical therapy. Tailored exercises and stretches can strengthen the back and improve posture. Number 2. Medications. Over-the-counter pain relievers or prescription drugs can help manage pain and inflammation. Number 3. Heat and cold therapy. Applying heat or cold packs can elevate pain and reduce inflammation. Number 4. Ergonomic changes. Proper ergonomics at work and home can prevent strain on the back. Number 5. Surgery. In severe cases, surgical procedures such as discectomy, spinal fusion, or laminectomy may be necessary.